everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to be showing you how to make pizza, fried pizza, which is called panzerotto in Italy. This is a food from South Italy, one of their traditional food. Yeah, it's so delicious, guys. The first time I tried it, I was like, wow. So these are the ingredients: pizza pasta, like pizza masa, what they call it, some Parmigiano, mozzarella, salt, oregano, pizza tomato sauce, or this one, make sure that the tomato sauce you're using is well blended. Okay, either you use the other one that is in a big bottle or this type. Okay, and extra virgin of olive oil. Is that simple? So these are the ingredients, guys. So now I'm going to mix the sauce. Yeah, so I added almost 1 can of that tomatoes. Okay, just measure how much you want to add. Then I added a little bit of salt. Then I added 2 tablespoons of parmesan, which is Parmigiano, a little bit of oregano, extra virgin of olive oil. So now I'm going to mix them up with a spoon first. Okay, then after mixing them, I'm going to now add the mozzarella. Yes, just slice the mozzarella either in cube, depends how much big you want them to be, because the key ingredient is mozzarella. So after slicing the mozzarella into the sauce, I'm going to mix them all up again. Then I will set that aside. So this is the pasta, the pizza dough. So I'm going to cut them into little pieces, depends how big you want it to be. So I want mine not to be very big and not to be very small. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now to roll them one after the other. I bought this pizza pasta. I did not make it myself. Probably one of these days I will be uploading how to make your pizza dough. So yeah, so now I'm going to roll each of that pizza dough the way I cut them. You don't need to make them very thick, like roll it let it not be too thick and let it not be too thin. Okay, it's just like rolling a meat pie. If you are from Nigeria or Africa, you know meat pie, it's just like that, but it's a little bit different because you're not going to be closing this with water. So as you can see, I'm using a pizza cutter to cut them, to make sure that they are well sealed, because you need to make sure that they are sealed if you are frying them. And the 2 ways you can make this: you can fry or you can bake them, depends the one you want. The classic recipe is frying, but you know everybody wants baking. So either you bake or you fry. So I'm going to go ahead now to roll the panzerotto dough or pizza dough, whichever one you want to call it. Then I will put some of the mozzarella and the tomato mixture into it, cover them, use that pizza cutter to cut the excess one and to make sure that the pasta or the pastry is well sealed. So there's another way you can actually do this, yes. If you don't want to seal the cover with the pizza cutter, you can actually braid them. This is to help them not to pump out, because you don't want that mozzarella or the tomatoes to come out when you are frying them, because you're going to make a little bit mess. So I'm going to be showing you how to make them. If you don't have the pizza cutter, just continue rolling them, just like I'm about to show you now. Just roll them like as if you are twisting them. You twist them 2 times. This will help them to seal very well, so when you are frying them, it won't open. I don't know how to put it. So twist them 2 times. It will help to seal the mouth of that pasta very, very well, so you won't have problem while frying them. Just like this. It's simple. I even find it more simple this way than using the pizza cutter. So now I'm done with all the pasta, everything. There is mozzarella in each of them with the sauce. So now it's time to fry. or it's time to bake, you can bake them like I said. So here is my oil. Is heat. I have already like the oil is hot already, so now it's time to start frying them. So all you need to do is to fry both sides of the panzerotto, which is pizza, fried pizza, I will say. Fry both sides until they are golden brown, so which is not going to be taking too long. I think a few minutes, 3 minutes, 4 5 minutes is enough for each of them. Yeah, so I'm just going to fry them the both sides and take them out of the heat. So I put that thing on to cover it to minimize the oil that sparkle everywhere. So but if you don't have that kind of cover, go ahead and use any one you have, okay? So I'm taking them out of the oil. The reason why the oil changed, guys, is because one of that is a little bit open, so the tomatoes pumped out. That is why the oil started changing, and that was the reason why I put the cover there. So I'm going to go ahead now to fry everything there. Like I said, both sides can be fried for less than 5 minutes, depends how much hot your oil is. And remember, you need to fry very hot oil to fry this if you want to fry it fast. So I'm done frying all the panzerotto. Here they are, So I'm going to be opening one for you guys to see. So I hope you give this a try, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. This is so delicious. You need to give it a try. Believe me, you are going to love it. And if you don't want to fry, go ahead and bake them, okay? Bye.